Chapter 11 Powers and Exponent. Total exercise 1. Hi to all. Today topic is 7th Maths, Chapter 11 Powers and Exponent. Exercise 1. Now, exercise 1. Write the base and exponent in each case. Also write the term in expanded form. So, first we will find out the base and after exponent, and after we will do this expanded form. So, first one 3 power 4, second one 7x whole square, third one 5ab whole power 3, fourth one 4y whole power 5. So, we can see that answers. So, first one is 3 power 4. Here, base is 3. Base is 3. Exponent is 4. So, expanded form 3 power 4 equal. How many times repeat again? 4 times. So, that call 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So, 3 power 4 is 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Now, second one 7x whole square. Here, base is 7x. Base is 7x. Exponent is 2. Expanded form is 7x whole square equal. How many times repeat again? 2 times. So, 7x whole square equal 7x into 7x. Third one 5ab whole power 3. Here base is 5ab and exponent is 3. Expanded form equal 5ab whole power 3. How many times repeat again? 3 times. So 5ab whole cube equal 5ab into 5ab into 5ab. Now fourth one is 4y whole power 5. Here base is 4y, exponent is 5. Expanded form equal 4y whole power 5. How many times repeat again? 5 times. So 4y into 4y into 4y into 4y into 4y. Second one, write the exponential form of each expression. So first one 7 into 7 into 7 into 7 into 7. How many times repeat again? 5 times. That calls 7 power 5. Second one 3 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. So 3 how many times repeat again? 3 times. 5 how many times repeat again? 4 times. That called 3 power 3 into 5 power 4. Third one 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 5. So 2 is 3 times repeat again, 3 is 4 times repeat again, 5 is 3 times repeat again. So that called 2 power 3 into 3 power 4 into 5 power 3. This is a exponential form. Express the following as the product of exponents through prime factorization. So we can do this prime factorization method. First one 288, second one 1250, third one 2250, fourth one 3600, fifth one 2400. So we can do this only two sums, 288 and second one 1250. Now third bit, first one 288. Now 288. First prime number is 2. So 2 1s are 2. 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8. 2 7s are 14. 2 2s are 4. Now 2 3s are 6. Carry 1. Total 12. 2 6 are 12. 2 1s are 2. Carry 1. Total 16. 2 8s are 16. 2 9s are 18. Now 9 divided by 2 is not possible. So another prime number is 3. Now 3 3s are 9. So 288 equal 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So 288 equal 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So 2 is how many times repeat again? 5 times. 1 2 3 4 5. So 3 how many times repeat again? 2 times. So 288 equal 2 power 5 into 3 power 2. This is a prime factorization method. Now second one 1250. Now 1250. First prime number is 2. 2 6 are 12. 2 2 are 4. Carry 1. Total 10. 2 5 are 10. So 625 divided by 2 is not possible. So another prime number is 3. So 625 divided by 3 also not possible. So another prime number is 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. Carry 2. Total 25. 5 fives are 25. Now 5 twos are 10. Carry 2. Total 25. 5 fives are 25. Now 5 fives are 25. So 1250 equal 2 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. So 1250 equal 2 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. So 1250 equal 2 power 1 into 5 power 4. So 5 is how many times repeat again? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times repeat again. 2 is only 1 time. So 1250 equal 2 power 1 into 5 power 4. Here 2 power 1 is exponent is 1. 5 power 4 exponent is 4. So 1250 equal 2 power 1 into 5 power 4. So fourth one, identify the greater number in each of the following pairs. So first one, 2 power 3 or 3 power 2. So comparing these two numbers, which is a greater number? So we can do this. 2 power 3 means how many times repeat again? 2, 3 times. So 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. 2 power 3 equal 8. 3 power 2 means that called 2 times repeat again. 3 into 3. 3 3 is a 9. So comparing these two numbers, which is a greater number? 9 is a greater number. So 3 square is a greater number. You can try this first one. So we can do this second one and third one. Fourth bit second one, 5 power 3 or 3 power 5. So 5 power 3 means 3 times repeat again 5. 5 into 5 into 5. So 5 5 is 25. 25 5 is 125. So 5 power 3 equal 125. Second one, 3 power 5. How many times repeat again? 5 times. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27, 27, 9 is 243. So comparing these two numbers, which is greater number? 243 greater number. So 125 less than 243. Which is greater number? 243 greater number. So 5 power 3 less than 3 power 5. So 3 power 5 is a greater number. Comparing these two numbers, 3 power 5 is a greater number. 5 power 3 less than 3 power 5 or 3 power 5 greater than 5 power 3. So third one, 2 power 8 or 8 power 2. Now 2 power 8. So how many times repeat again? 8 times. 2 into 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 2. So 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. Now 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. Now 16, 16 is 256. Now 8 square equal to how many times repeat again? 2 times. So 8 into 8. 8 8 is 64. Comparing these two numbers, which is greater number? 256 is greater number. So 256 greater number 64. 256 greater than 64. Now 256 means 2 power 8 greater than 8 power 2. So 2 power 8 is greater number. So this is a solution. Fifth one, if a equal 3, b equal 2, find the value of first one, a power b plus b power a. Second one, a power a plus b power b. Third one, a plus b whole power b. Fourth one, a minus b whole power a. So a equal 3, b equal 2, then find out these values. So we can see that answer. Now solution. If a equal 3, b equal 2, find the values of a power b plus b power a. Now a equal 3, b equal 2, substitute this one. Now a power b plus b power a equals, what is that a value? 3. Now 3. What is that b value? 2. Now 3 square plus b power a. What is that b value? 2. What is that a value? 3. So 3 square. How many times repeat again? 2 times. Yes. 2 power 3. How many times repeat again? 3 times. So 3 3 is a 9 plus 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. So total is 70. Now this is very simple. A power b plus b power a equals 70. Now second one, a power a plus b power b. Now a equal 3, b equal 2, substitute this one. A power a plus b power b equals, what is that a value? 3. A power a. So 3 power 3 plus b power b. What is that b value? 2. 2 power 2. So 3 how many times repeat again? 3 times. So 2 how many times repeat again? 2 times. Now 3 3 is a 9, 9 3 is a 27. Plus 2 2 is a 12. So 27 plus 4 equals 31. Now a power a plus b power b equals 31. Now third one, a plus b whole power b. Now a equal 3, b equal 2, substitute this one. A plus b whole power b. So a equals 3 plus b equals 2. Whole power b equals 2. So 3 plus 2, 5. 5 square. 5 how many times repeat again? 2 times. So 5 5 is 25. So answer is a plus b whole power b equals 25. This is too easy. So fourth one, a minus b whole power a. Now a equal 3, b equal 2, substitute this one. A minus b whole power a equals, a value 3 minus, what is that b value? 2. Whole power, what is that a value? 3. Now 3 minus 2 how much? 1. 1 whole power 3. 1 how many times repeat again? 3 times. So 1 1 is 1, 1 1 is 1. So answer is a minus b whole power a equals 1. This is a solution. Thank you everyone. Please share, subscribe my channel.